Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about solution, its component, solubility and the concentration of solution. You all are aware with solution, it has two components. First is solute and second is solvent. Solute generally present in lesser amount while solvent present in more amount. Now we have to define solubility. It can be defined as the amount of solute required to form a solution in 100 gram of solvent at a particular temperature to give saturated solution. Mathematically, it can be calculated as solubility equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solvent into 100. Now we will try to solve numerical based on find out the solubility. The question is 20 gram of sodium chloride dissolves in 80 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius. Then calculate the solubility of sodium chloride in water at a given temperature. For this, you need to find out two things: mass of solute and mass of solvent. Mass of solute is given, which is 20 gram, and mass of solvent is also given, which is 80 gram. And we know the formula to calculate the solubility. It is mass of solute by mass of solvent into 100. Now we have to put the values of solute and solvent and then calculate it. It's equal to 20 by 80 into 100. Then simplify it. So 25 gram is right answer. By this we can do more numericals. Now we will learn about the concentration of solution, and it is defined as the amount of solute present in a given quantity of the solution. There are various ways by which we can calculate the concentration of solution. Some of them are mass by mass percentage. In this method, we need to find out the mass of solute as well as mass of solution. Second method is mass by volume percentage. In this way, concentration of solution calculated as mass of solute, which is given in gram, divided by volume of solution in ml into 100. Third method is volume by volume percentage. In this method, concentration of solution is calculated as volume of solute in ml divided by volume of solution in ml into 100. We will try to solve some numericals related to concentration of solution and finding the solubility. So first numerical is on the board. Just pause the video and try to solve it. First we need to find out what are given in the question. So first we will see mass of solute is given, which is 12 gram, and mass of solution is 160 gram. Then using the mass by mass percentage formula, we have to write this. After solving this question, we have got the answer as 7.5%. Next question is calculate the mass of glucose needed to prepare 250 gram of 5% solution by mass. In this question, you have to calculate the mass of glucose, which is a solute, and mass of solution is given 250 gram, and the concentration of solution also given, which is 5%. By using this formula, we can calculate the mass of glucose. So try to solve it. It is given 5%, then mass of glucose divided by 250 into 100. After solving this, we will get it as like this. After solving this, we will get it as 12.5 gram as answer. Now try to solve this question. First, you need to write what things are given. Here you can see 40 gram of sugar added in 100 gram of water. It means sugar is solute and water as solvent. So first you need to write the mass of solute, which is 40 gram, and then mass of solvent, which is 100 gram. Then you need to find the mass of solution. By adding mass of solute and solvent, you will get the mass of solution. By using this formula, you can calculate the concentration of solution like this, and after solving, you will get the answer as 28.57%. Now see this question. 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide is dissolved in 95 ml of water. Then calculate its percentage in volume by volume. In this question, volume of solute is given, which is 5 ml, and volume of solvent is also given, which is 95 ml. By adding the volume of solute and solvent, we will get the volume of solution, which is equal to 100 ml. By using this formula, we can calculate the concentration of solution. Volume of solute, which is given 5 ml, divided by volume of solution, which is 100 ml, into 100. We have got the answer as 5%.